Hello everyone, this is my review of the Yupik Organic White Quinoa. I love that it's certified organic, non-GMO, gluten-free, and kosher. That labeling gives some peace of mind about what's going into it. The texture is just right. After rinsing thoroughly and cooking for about 15 minutes, it fluffs up nicely without being mushy. I've used it as a rice substitute in grain bowls, and even in breakfast bowls, and it holds up well. The flavor is mild and neutral, which is good. It doesn't overpower your dish. You can make it sweet or savory, or mix it with bold flavors. One thing to watch, it needs proper rinsing. If you skip washing off the natural coating, you might get a slightly soapy aftertaste. Also, for those using small batches, store them in an airtight container. Grains like this can absorb moisture or odors from the pantry. Overall, this Yupik bag is a solid pantry staple for affordable, versatile quality quinoa, especially given its size and certifications. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.